Prime Minister Narendra Modi chairs a high-level security meeting bringing together with top ministers and military leaders to review national security and strategic operations. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval and other dignitaries were present at the meeting. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a high-level meeting at his official residence in New Delhi today on Sunday, bringing together top ministers and military leaderships to review national security and strategic operations. Present at the meeting were Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan, and the Chief of the Indian Army, Navy and the Air Force. The meeting comes amid heightened strategic developments and is believed to have focused on ongoing national security measures and operational readiness, with a particular emphasis on Operation Sindoor. The deliberations underline the government's proactive approach to safeguarding India's sovereignty and interest in a rapidly evolving global and regional security landscape. However, drone attacks from Pakistan end on Sunday morning. Jammu and Punjab current situation has cooled down as of now. Citizens were seen coming out like normal days.
जी सर, आज सुबह क्या माहौल है सर? अभी तो शांति है सर। लोग घर से निकल गए हैं सर। लोग पूछ रहे हैं दुकानें खोले या नहीं खोले। भाई अगले आदेश तक इंतजार करें, अगला आदेश क्या आता है गाइडलाइन। सरकार की गाइडलाइन की पालना करावे।
However, the nation does not trust on Pakistan. They may be attacking India during night. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.